Welcome, welcome, welcome to my wonderful Libras. How are you guys today? Garnetqueentarot here, saying hello and Happy New Year. Wishing everybody the best. Oh, life, man. How are you guys doing? What's going on in your life, in your love life? What's happening? Ooh, a lot of relationships are rekindling and people are going back to their past because it's familiar. It's comfort. It's like the crazies out there, you're saying, I'd rather go back to what I know than go out there and trying to seek something new. Unless there's violence involved, then you got to keep moving forward. But you just be careful and pray to your source and focus on progression moving forward. It's a new year, new beginnings, starting up, and love, meeting new people, doing different things, spreading your wings and flying. Spirits, talk to us on behalf of our wonderful Libras and let them know what is going on. We are on our Love Fest. This is day 2 for Libras. Hey, hey. How's everything going? Spirits, talk to us and reveal the answers to our questions. Help us to keep moving forward in our love quests. Storm warning, upheaval, obstacles, wrecking ball, drama. That says a lot. That says a whole lot. Storm warning. So, whatever's going on in your relationship and drama, you might be talking to somebody's man is talking to you. Ooh, Libra. Who are you loving on knowing you're not supposed to? What is going on? Has somebody been camouflaging stuff? It's a storm warning of what's to come in a relationship. So if you're going back and forth with someone right now trying to decide if this is the right person for you, there will be upheaval. There will be obstacles on that path. It's like a wrecking ball. Something is going to come out that has a lot of drama attached to it. And you're prepared for storms. You know that, right, Libra? But a lot is shaking right now. A lot of things are going on in your life. A lot of turmoil. And it derived from a love. You know what I'm thinking? Someone close to you, maybe a spouse, didn't draw up the necessary paperwork like a will or any agreement of any kind, and that spouse has passed away. And this is for someone who had sent me information, and this is what's going on. That's why there's a storm warning. If there was no will or any paperwork, it's going to be a fight between you and her children. Because I see a man and a woman, and the man is the Libra, and she passed away. So I also, or she's sick, or he's sick. It's a, it's a couple, and something is going on, and there's drama going on right now. It could be somebody that's sick, somebody that's passed away, but there's going to be some upheaval in this relationship that took place because it's like a wrecking ball. Things have to be decided, decisions have to be made, It's someone that's gone from your life, Libra. Someone has moved on, and you all have some issues that were left behind that need to be resolved. So it's going to be some drama, but you're prepared for it. Get on your knees and pray to your source. Keep up with your journaling. But this is a storm warning. That drama is coming on your doorstep. Just know that no matter what, stay calm. Don't argue with anybody. You can have a cordial debate. I see that lawyers might have to get involved. So it's some kind of family drama, domestic drama, family. No physical fighting or anything like that. A lot of words being passed back and forth. Threats, people trying to dismantle and mash up the whole thing. Stay strong, Libra. Stay strong. Because when this storm passes, you'll be fine. But you got to get through the storm. So you got to stay steadfast and be faithful. And keep praying to your source. Spirits, tell us what else is going on for our Libras. Divine intervention. Supernatural karma. So you know what? Source is going to have to step in and know that source is there for you. You can't take on every battle by yourself. And you're going to know that help is coming to you and has arrived. You'll feel it. Divine intervention is going to have to come and step in to help you through this situation. Drama. But you can handle it. You know you can handle it, right? You know that sometimes things embark on your path, Libra, and it makes you doubt your capability, makes you doubt your strength. You're going through a lot right now. A lot. So you're prepared. You are prepared to handle it. It's just devastating at times, the drama that's involved. But you will get through it. But you're going to have to go through it to get through it. Date. Courting, dating, anniversary, a meetup. You're reminiscing on someone. How you first met. How you were courted. The anniversaries that you have had. It's somebody that's sending you a message. It's like ancestors are sending you a message to letting you know it's okay to remember the good times. It's okay to face storms and be scared. We were great together. Somebody has moved on, and that's why a storm is coming, because the pain that you're experiencing right now for the loss in your life of a loved one, you're going through it, and you don't see how you're getting over the hump right now. This person is someone that you hold dear to your heart. It's a loved one that may have been sick, and you had to face a lot. You've been through a storm, and a bigger storm is coming because it's more people involved now. And you are trying to remember the good times and the memories that you all shared, and they're trying to embark on that because of greed, not an infighting. Divine intervention is definitely going to have to happen. Spirits, talk to us. What is going on? Ooh, Libra. Addiction, toxic attachment, drugs, alcohol, obsession. People affiliated with this drama. Somebody's not taking it well, and they're very obsessed with this situation and drinking. Using some form of drugs or alcohol. This is not you using. You feel like using. And this person is obsessed with causing havoc in your life right now, Libra. This storm will pass, but it's going through some stuff right now. And this has to do with a dying love. Somebody that you truly care about has passed on. And now all the family, everybody wants to get involved in this relationship and the situation. And the storm is going to hit hard. But you know what? You are strong. Libra, you are strong, and you will get through this. What is going on? Surrender. Pray to your source and just surrender yourself. There's certain things you can't change. Certain storms you will have to go through. Letting go. Release. Give up. Patience. Don't try to fight with these people, because there's nothing you can say that's going to take away their pain or yours right now. This is a process that you all are going to have to go through together and eventually figure things out. Accept the fact that you can't change what has happened. Letting go of any guilt. Release yourself from pain. Release the pain. If you have to scream, just give up on the fighting. Every battle is not meant to be fought. Some things you go through and you accept the fact you can't control the circumstances. This drama that's unfolding, just listen. Don't argue with anybody. Don't stress yourself out. Just be patient with the process. Let your attorney handle. Don't stress yourself. Libra, you're going to be okay. You're going to be okay. This is a lost love. It could be, it's a lot of drama going on right now. A lot of drama. You're going to get through it. You're reminiscing on what was. You're reminiscing. Somebody in your life that's lost. It could be lost to sickness in sense of, even if they didn't pass away, they're sick. It could be Alzheimer's, dementia, anything like that, and it's causing havoc. And the children that are connected to this relationship are not your children. It's your partner's children. It's a lot going on right now. I'm just seeing things will never be the same. And the drama that's unfolding is causing a major storm. You're going to get through the storm because you're always prepared, Libra. But sometimes people take things too far because of their pain. Peace, love, prosperity. This is day 2. of our exploration of love, of messages, of signs, of what's going on, answers to questions. How are things looking? You will be okay, but you're facing obstacles that are trying to throw you off, trying to destroy you. This is a prayer time. You will get through, but make sure that you're documenting everything. Make sure that you have the support that you need to get through this. I see family around you, you're going to be fine. But we all have to go through situations before we get to where we need to be. So there's some kind of turmoil, some imbalance here. Something's going on. Don't let anybody make you come out of character, because they will try. From the first time you were with this person, dating, and you reminiscing about the good old days, all of a sudden a rug is pulled from underneath you. Stay prayed up. We're going to keep researching and observing and manifesting and seeing what answers come out to our questions. Libra, this is just another part of it. We all have storms. We just need to be prepared for them. Garnetqueentarot here, saying the love the two of you shared is undeniable. Undeniable. So no matter who comes at you for what reason, stand in your truth. Because you know what? You gave 100%. 100% to that relationship. Don't give up. Other than to not fight with people, it says surrender yourself. Let it go. Release. Breathe. Give up on nonsense, because you're not going to be arguing with people. Let your attorney handle the situation so that it could be amicable, so that people can't come back at you. This you have to let the legal system handle. Stay prayed up. Till we talk again for day 3. Because you know what? Life has its ups and downs, and it takes us through so much. And I say life is like a game, even though it's not one. It's the moves that you make, the strategic moves that you make. It's the feedback that you get and react upon. It's how life could take you and just squeeze you and release you. How you have to fend for yourself sometimes. How you have to seek support. Take a deep breath, Libra, and this too shall pass. Go through the process of this storm. Make sure that all your bases are covered. Stay strong, for real. You've been through storms before, and this is no different. It's just that this one pulls a lot more at the heartstrings. You got this. Take care till we meet again for day 3 on our love conquest and our answers to our questions. The game of life. The game of life can take you through so much. Peace and love, Libra. Take care till we meet again.